Hey, what's up guys, this is Ronak here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I have an awesome gadget to show you guys. It is the world's smallest mini camera. It's look like DSLR. And it is also mini camcorder and it's come in simple box. At the back, we got some specifications and some images over here. The specifications: video resolution 2 megapixel, video quality 720p HD, lens 120° view angle, recording time 1 hour, charging time 3 hours, support SD card up to 32GB, and weight is 10 grams. This is about specifications and its cost is only 1000 rupees and it is made in Taiwan. Now let's unbox. In the first, we got mini DSLR camera. It's come in simple tray. And we got one more box in the box. In the first, we got user manual. It is both English and Chinese. And we got charging port and data transferring cable. And one keychain and one wrist strap. We got those accessories in the box. And now check out the camera. It is the camera. It's look like real DSLR. Look at this size, it is so small. It is made up of plastic and the build quality is also very good. And it is weight is only 10 grams. At the down, we got charging port and SD card slot. And the top, we got LED indicator over here and a click button to shoot photos and videos. It is a lens. It is 2 megapixel and SD camera and 120° view angle. And this is hook. We attach a keychain and wrist strap. It's looking so tiny in my hand. It is so light and its weight is only 10 grams. Now compare with DSLR. Look at the size of camera. Mini camera look as same DSLR. And now let me show you some function of mini DSLR. First, start this camera. Push the capture button for 2 or 3 seconds. It is start. You see red light blinking over here. It's when it start. For capture the photos, click with the button for capture the photos. And for videos, press the capture button for 2 or 3 seconds. It's when it's blinking, it's when the videos start. For off the videos, press the capture button one time and it's off. And now take some photos and videos from this camera. Here are some photos that is captured with this camera. The picture quality look good and the view angle is 120°. The picture resolution is 720 by 480. And it is a video take with this camera. The quality look good and the video resolution is 720 by 480. The recording time is 60 minutes and the charging time is about 3 hours. In only 1000 rupees we got mini DSLR camera that was shoot photos and videos, and it is very easy to carry with you. We can also use like a keychain and we can like use a hand wrist. So that's it in this video. If you like this video, please give thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more new interesting videos. Thanks for watching.